fried chicken curry. Basically, it's a seasoned fried chicken but drenched in chicken curry sauce. Oh, it's so good. If you like fried chicken, this is a new level. It's just quite perfect. It's a must try, you guys. So, okay, let's start. Alright, so here we are. This is about 6 pieces, leg and thigh, and 3 small drumsticks. So total 9 pieces of chicken. So all goods ready. We're gonna spice this up, season it before we do the fried chicken. So it's gonna be so good. Yep, let's start. Here we get some crushed black pepper. Just a little bit more. Wait, hold up. Here. Okay, and then now it's about a spoon of curry powder, because you gotta have this so that when you fry it, it's gonna be even more tasty. And then about 2 tablespoons of garam masala, or 2 teaspoons. Sorry, one more. Yep. Now we mix it so it let it stick onto the chicken and chicken skin. It's gonna be so good like this, all mixed up good. So we leave it for 5 minutes. Heat up the oil. Now it's ready. Yes, we do the fried chicken. I wanted to use the bigger wok, but my maid said we just use this regular small one, the baby wok, which is pretty good. I just wanted the bigger one so that you can fry more, but she said it's okay. So now we let this fry. And of course, the trick here is that when it's bubbling less, or when it's done bubbling, that's when the side is cooked, so we flip it over. Because it's not really deep fried. Here, see? It's bubbling less, so the small ones are good. Even this one. This one, yes. And here, now we let it sit there for another 3 to 4 minutes again. And then, we just let it fry good. Yep, and here, so the small ones are all ready, all fried good now. We put it on the strainer so it drips out oil, so it won't be so oily. Alright, that's 3. Now the 2 big ones, we just let it fry some more because it's still not yet done. There's space for 1 big drumstick, right? There's space here for this, medium-sized drumstick. It's interesting because you get some huge drumstick and medium-sized. It's so good. Oh, this one is done and ready. Okay, put it aside. Let it drain off from the oils. Oh, this one needs to stay a bit more. But there's space for 1 more, so we continue. There you go. Oh yeah, big. Okay. Now you let that fry for a bit. Now here's getting ready. Oh, this one is all done now. It's shaped like a crab. I didn't mean to do that, sorry. Now here's almost done. We add 1 more because there's space. Oh, sorry, be careful at the Viki. Yep, there's space, and we fix this up here. So there's space for 1 more. This way we can all fry it quick. Oh yeah. Now, once we're done with this, we drench it. We let the oil drain out from the strainer, and then set it aside. Then we start with the sauce, with the chicken curry sauce. Okay, this one is removed. Now we can remove this. It's all good. Yep. And this too, we just leave it here. Just it still needs a bit more time. As you can see, it's not totally fried. Don't worry about the dark area. That's the seasoning. It's not overcooked. Now here, we drained the oil. We took it out. We start with the onions for the curry sauce, the chicken curry sauce. We drop in the onions. Oh yeah. Now we saute this. Give it a good turn, and then we quickly add the garlic. Let's just let it fry this a bit, just a few moments. The next up will be the garlic. It's about 2 cloves of crushed garlic, and this is about 2 small or medium-sized onions chopped off for sauteing. All right. Now, some curry powder. There's a spoon of curry powder. 1 spoon of curry powder. We're gonna put another one later when the sauce is really good. After putting the yogurt, of course. Alright, make sure it's sauteing good. Make sure it's all fried and good. Once the onion is translucent, that's when you can put the a cup of yogurt. 1 cup. Yes. I told Ate Vicky she can rinse it a bit with water, like a half a cup of water. So we add it here. We'll mix that good. We bring it to a simmer or to a boil. So it's gonna be tasting so good. Oh yeah. And once it's simmering, we add the red and green bell peppers. So it's gonna taste really good. Mix it some more like further. The Viking can give it a taste. If it needs salt, we'll just add salt. But if it doesn't, then it's okay. All she said is okay. Now this crushed ginger, just a bit, like maybe half a teaspoon of ginger. It's crushed. We'll let it cook and simmer. We let this reduce a bit. Once it's simmering, that's gonna get good. Yes. Now we add 1 last spoon of curry powder. So we total 3 spoons of curry powder. 1 spoon went to the chicken and then 2 spoons for the sauce. That will mix this good. Oh, this smells so good. Yep. Yeah, wish you guys can smell this. So now first, we're gonna put my sister's 2-piece chicken. Or I explained to my maid, we don't put it there. We're gonna drench the fried chicken on the sauce. She thought we'll just scoop the sauce and put it over. It's like, no, we're gonna drench it like this. Because my sister doesn't like anything spicy. So before this gets spicy to our liking, we put hers first. This way it's not that super spicy. It's gonna be okay. We'll let it, drench a bit. We can turn off the heat because you don't want the sauce drying up. That is good now. Well, we didn't turn it off. We lowered the heat, so we let it drench good. So it's still simmering, like gently. After a minute of drenching on the sauce, it's gonna be tasting so good. Yes. So this is fried chicken curry. Oh, you guys gotta try this. This version is really good. Well, look at that. Oh yeah. I guess my maid said, Ate Vicky said, let's put some more. Now, we're gonna make it spicier. We're gonna put some hot sauce. You can put Tabasco. We're using a Korean hot sauce that my sister's friend Jin gave me. So it's pretty good. Drops of it. You can use Tabasco or even red chili. Continue cooking with it. It's gonna be so good. It's super spicy, so a few drops like that is already good enough. And it's perfect. Yeah. Okay. Now she's trying. Ate Vicky is trying it again if it needs salt or no. That's perfect. Now we put the rest of the chicken. So that is a fried chicken curry. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Yep. You just put that amount. Yes. So that so it's easy to mix. Yes. We're letting this simmer in low heat, so the taste is gonna be so good. So that the curry sauce gets drenched or soaked in the fried chicken is gonna be oh so awesome. Yep. There you go. Now it's mixed good. There's space to add some more. We'll put the small ones because the small ones are already drenched good. Now there's space for the bigger piece. Yeah, there. The thigh part. Another thigh part. Oh yeah. Now mix it further. This is gonna be so good. You guys gotta try this version. It's the same thing as like making chicken curry. The only difference is you gotta fry it first. Look at that. Let me show you close. Oh my goodness. It smelled so good. This is gonna be an awesome lunch. Let's head to the dining table. Would you look at that? Fried chicken curry. You're gonna love this. You gotta try it. Yes, and you can also click here for the good stuff. Yep. This is gonna be worth a try, guys. So hope you guys try this, alright? Yes. Thanks for watching and subscribe this way you can check all the other good stuff here. Alright. See ya.